Whether it's Toyota, Honda, Subaru, Mazda, Ford, Jeep, Hyundai, or luxury SUVs, drop the name below. And if you enjoy honest SUV content focused on reliability, long-term ownership, and smart buying advice, hit subscribe because this channel is all about helping people avoid expensive mistakes. Now let's be honest. Finding a small SUV that can actually survive 200,000 miles is getting harder these days. A lot of modern SUVs look great when they're brand new, but once mileage starts climbing, expensive problems begin showing up everywhere. Transmission failures, turbo issues, electrical problems, and repair bills suddenly turn cheap SUVs into financial nightmares. But some small SUVs are completely different. These are the SUVs that mechanics trust, owners refuse to sell, and buyers actively search for even with high mileage already on them. And honestly, some of these vehicles have become legendary because they just refuse to die. So today we're counting down the top 5 small SUVs that can realistically last 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. These are the SUVs smart buyers trust for the long run. And trust me, the number one SUV on this list probably won't surprise anybody. 5. Mazda CX-5, the reliable SUV that's actually fun to drive. The Mazda CX-5 became one of the biggest hidden gems in America because it offers something very rare: reliability without feeling boring. A lot of dependable SUVs focus so much on practicality that driving them feels completely lifeless. But the CX-5 is different. It feels refined, comfortable, stylish, and honestly much more premium than people expect. And the best part? Mazda reliability improved massively over the past decade. Owners consistently praise the CX-5 for surviving high mileage while still feeling solid years later. The interior quality also aged extremely well. Even older CX-5 models still look modern and upscale compared to some competitors. And honestly, that matters because nobody wants a vehicle that feels outdated after a few years. Another huge advantage is maintenance costs. Compared to luxury SUVs, ownership stays relatively affordable long-term. That's exactly why more buyers are starting to trust Mazda seriously in the reliability conversation. So let me ask you this. Would you rather own a super reliable SUV that feels boring, or one that actually makes driving enjoyable too? 4. Subaru Forester, the high-mileage AWD favorite. The Subaru Forester built an incredibly loyal fan base across America, especially in snowy states where all-wheel drive matters a lot. People love these SUVs for camping, winter driving, road trips, and outdoor lifestyles. And honestly, many Foresters survive incredibly high mileage when properly maintained. One reason owners stay loyal is practicality. The Forester feels easy to drive, spacious for its size, and excellent in bad weather conditions. Visibility is also fantastic compared to many modern SUVs. Now, yes, buyers absolutely need to research model years carefully because some older Subaru engines had known issues. But when maintained properly, good Foresters regularly cross 200,000 miles without becoming financial disasters. And honestly, the strong owner community says a lot too. People who buy Foresters often keep buying Subarus again and again because the ownership experience feels dependable. So here's the question. Would you choose better AWD capability over sporty performance in a small SUV? 3. Toyota RAV4, the reliability legend. The Toyota RAV4 has become one of the most trusted SUVs in America for one simple reason: it consistently proves itself year after year. High-mileage RAV4s are everywhere, and honestly, that's one of the biggest signs of true reliability. People still confidently buy these SUVs even with over 150,000 miles already on them. Toyota's conservative engineering approach plays a huge role here. Instead of constantly chasing risky new technology, Toyota focuses heavily on durability and long-term ownership confidence. And that's exactly why mechanics trust the RAV4 so much. Maintenance costs also tend to stay manageable compared to many competitors. Parts are easy to find, repairs are relatively straightforward, and resale values remain incredibly strong. Another thing buyers love is stress-free ownership. The RAV4 may not always be the flashiest SUV in the parking lot, but honestly, reliability becomes very exciting once you've experienced expensive car problems before. And this is exactly why the RAV4 remains one of the smartest small SUV purchases in America. 2. Honda CR-V, the SUV that just keeps going. The Honda CR-V is legendary at this point. Mechanics recommend them constantly. Owners keep them forever. And buyers actively search for them even with massive mileage numbers. Why? Because the CR-V consistently delivers exactly what people want from a long-term SUV: reliability, fuel economy, practicality, affordable maintenance, and ownership confidence. One of the biggest strengths of the CR-V is balance. It doesn't try to be overly sporty or overly luxurious. Instead, Honda focused on building an SUV people could depend on daily for years. And honestly, that strategy worked perfectly. Older CR-Vs especially became famous for surviving crazy mileage with relatively few serious problems. That's why seeing a 200,000-mile CR-V still driving smoothly barely surprises anyone anymore. Another huge advantage is maintenance affordability. Repairs usually stay manageable, parts are everywhere, and independent mechanics know these SUVs extremely well. And honestly, when a vehicle becomes trusted by both mechanics and normal owners, that says everything. So let me ask you honestly, if reliability was your number one priority, would you choose Honda or Toyota? 1. Toyota 4Runner, the small SUV that refuses to die. At number 1, we have the Toyota 4Runner. And honestly, nothing else could realistically take this spot. Now, technically, some people consider the 4Runner slightly larger than compact SUVs, but when talking about legendary long-term durability, it absolutely belongs here. This SUV has become famous worldwide for surviving insane mileage in brutal conditions. Off-road enthusiasts love it, mechanics trust it, adventure travelers rely on it, and owners regularly report crossing 300,000 miles while still driving confidently. The biggest reason is simple. Toyota built the 4Runner like an old-school truck instead of a fragile modern crossover. Body-on-frame construction, proven engines, durable engineering. Everything about this SUV focuses on toughness first. And honestly, that's exactly why used 4Runners hold value so ridiculously well. Buyers know these SUVs are built differently. Now yes, fuel economy feels outdated. The technology may seem older than competitors too. But honestly, many buyers gladly accept that because reliability matters more to them than flashy screens or trendy features. And this is exactly why the Toyota 4Runner became one of the most respected long-term SUVs ever built. If someone asked me which SUV I'd trust most to survive 200,000 miles without constant stress, the 4Runner would absolutely be near the top of the list. At the end of the day, true long-term reliability is becoming harder to find in today's SUV market. But the SUVs on this list prove themselves over years of real-world driving, high mileage, and owner trust. And honestly, owning a dependable SUV for 200,000 miles feels way more valuable than flashy features that stop working later. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we post honest SUV content like this all the time. And before you leave, comment below. Which small SUV would you trust the most for the long run?